Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Kate Joyce Vlogs. Happy Sunday everyone. Yeah, I'll show you guys yung binili namin na outdoor settings na table. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Para sa baguhan, if you are just new on my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more videos. Okay. Ang binili naming outdoor settings na table. Papalitan ko na kasi yung table na yun. Luma na kasi to. Ilang taon na to? More than, ilang taon na ba to? Siguro mga 8 years na yan. So, papalitan na namin ng kahoy na table. Ayan, ina-assemble ng aking hubby. Maganda siya, guys. Kasi kahoy siya. Kala ko nga magaan yung palang bigat. Ayan yung ano. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayun siya. Pag natapos na siyang i-assemble, ayun siya, guys. Ayan. 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 O, diba? Ayan. So, ito yung part ng lahat ng mga paa. Ayan. So, ilagay namin doon. Ang dami namin liligpitin ngayon, guys. Di pa kami matapos-tapos kasi daming mga kaganapan. Kaya walang time para mag-ayos. Tsaka yung mga aking mga halaman. So, aayusin ko yan, guys. Yun, yung table namin, itong glass na yan, ilagay ko yan sa sa marketplace para mabenta naman itong, ito siya. Benta ko na lang ng $30. Ayan. Yun. So, excited na ako pag matapos na itong makabit. Ayan, nilagay na yung he put already the 2 legs. 2 legs of the table. It's really nice, this table. It's only $200 in Bunnings. So, I really like it. So, just for, para mabago naman. Nagsawa na ako doon. Ayun, Ayan, lilinisin ko ng gusto mamaya doon. Para pag mag-coffee sa umaga, maganda. Sarapan ng halaman. Ayan. Ayan, may hubby fixing it. Not yet done. So many things to do today. So, the good thing my hubby is, he's very good to do that. To assemble the furniture. Every time we bought a furniture, he's the only one who assembled. So it helps really if your hubby is a handyman, because it can help. No need to ask someone else to fix. And that's our karabande. Ayan. We put, ayan, tinutornilyo niya, guys. So, I will just hold it para okay siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ganun lang kadali. Is that, okay. More time. Sikapan pa ng gusto. Really good. It's not tabingi, love. Hindi na tabingi. It's aligned. Hirap naman mag-Tagalog, mag-English. Hirap mag-English, di mag-Tagalog. Minsan, iintindi na lang yun kung anong ibig sabihin. Ayan. Ayan, okay na po. Nalagay na ang 4 na legs. He put already the 4 legs. So, ayan. Andun pa yung 2 upuan na mahaba. Ayan. Yan, clean muna namin yung lalagyan ng table dyan. Bagong table. Yan ang mga plants ko, guys. Magtatanim ako ngayon. See that? Oh. Look. That's it, guys. Ayan na yung table na ina-symbol ng aking hubby. Is it nice? Isn't it? Isn't it nice? Look at that. And then he will assemble the chairs too. And that's it. That's the chairs. 2 chairs. Long ones. Yeah. And then she'll cook fish dyan. Look at that 2 mess here. Not fixed yet. Not clean yet. So, I need to fix everything in here. As if we just arrived. We always, fixing things. Yeah. Yan, natapos din sa wakas. Yan, assemble na. My husband assemble this table. The new one from Bunnings. We bought it for $200 only. Isn't it nice, guys? So, I replaced the old one to the new one. So, that's my plants there. So, I'm going to plant again. So, thank you, my hubby, for fixing this. Or assemble this. It's nice to hang around here. Ganda mag coffee sa umaga dito. Tapos, ayan yung mga halaman. Magre-replant ako. Ayan. So, ayan lang, guys. Very nice. Oh, ligpit-ligpit na siya. Ayan. It's really good. Ayan, guys. Tapos na yung lamesa na nabili namin doon sa Bunnings. Na-assemble na ng aking hubby. Ayun, talagang ang saya ko dahil natapos na din. Makikita nyo naman, napakaganda ng table na yun. Sa halagang $200, diba? So, yun ay outdoors yan na lamesa. Kahit mabasa sa ulan, hindi siya nasisira. Kasi talagang panglabas siya. Pero ganun pa man, kina-cover namin paggabi yung lamesa, guys. Bubuksan ko lang pag doon ako magtatambay, diba? So, ayun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood ng aking channel. And if you are just new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye for now. Bye.